New South area is currently a highly impermeable area that lacks greenery or any means of stormwater treatment. For the past 8 months, a group of 3 environmental engineers, known as Team Storm, have been working to design an improved, fully integrated stormwater system that is tied into the upgrades of Lee Barracks, Sherman Barracks, Building 606, and New South area, and incorporates principles of low-impact development. The project looks to accomplish 4 main goals. Goal number 1, improve the quality of stormwater runoff by integrating low-impact development and stormwater treatment practices. Goal number 2, reduce peak stormwater flow to the Hudson River via runoff and impervious cover reduction. Goal number 3, provide education and engagement opportunities on green infrastructure for the cadets, staff and faculty, and visitors to the academy. And goal number 4, improve the aesthetics of the cadet area without negatively impacting its functionality. We utilize the EPA's Stormwater Management Model, also known as SWIM, to estimate the direct stormwater runoff through our system. Our design utilizes 9 planter boxes, 12 tree wells, a grit chamber, and a rain garden, which are all implemented in series of one another. The planter boxes will be 25 feet long, 5 feet wide, and 3.5 feet deep, and will treat 70% of the total suspended solids in the runoff. The tree wells will take in the surface runoff from Legion Square, as well as the drainage from the planter boxes. They will be 12 feet in diameter and 6 feet deep. The tree wells will also treat 70% of the total suspended solids in the runoff. The grit chamber will be 1 meter by 1 meter and will remove 100% of the total suspended solids in the runoff. The rain garden will be 33 feet wide by 110 feet long and 2.5 feet deep. It will remove 70% of the total suspended solids from the surface runoff. The planter boxes will collect runoff from the roofs of Sherman Barracks and Lee Barracks. From the planter boxes, the water will flow directly into the tree wells via underground drainage system. From the tree wells, the water will be routed underground through the grit chamber, then the rain garden, and finally make its way to the Hudson River. After completing the economic analysis, we have estimated the new design will cost approximately $450,000. With the addition of LID features, 50% of the water quality volume from the 90% storm will be treated. The new design will reduce peak flow for the 95% storm by 85%. The introduction of an infographic by the Rain Garden will provide educational engagement opportunities for visitors and cadets alike, and will explain the different plants found in the garden and how water is retained and treated. And finally, the planter boxes and trees added to New South area will transform our dull gray barracks into a green oasis.